Hi there, I'd like to talk about the xylem and the phloem. The xylem and the phloem are both tubes inside plants that take water and nutrients around the plant. The xylem is a tube that takes water and minerals up from the roots, and it's a tube made out of dead cells. And the phloem, that takes various nutrients and water all round the plant in various directions, and there are little companion cells that squeeze the nutrients along, so the phloem flows them. Whereas the xylem just uses capillary action to take the water up through a thin tube. Now, one of the things I'd say about the xylem and the phloem is that pictures of them are really very beautiful. You get pictures like this, and these sort of pictures here. They're just absolutely incredible. So if you go and have a look at xylem and phloem on Google Images, you'll just be blown away by how beautiful they are. So we have a nice picture here of the xylem and the phloem. The xylem being a tube made out of dead cells, taking water and minerals up from the roots, and the phloem being made of a tube of living cells with sieve cells and companion cells, squeezing and flowing those nutrients around the plant. Now, when it comes to the spelling, which is the real clincher, how on earth are you going to remember that xylem starts with XY and phloem starts PH, and that they both end in EM? Well, I like to think of the phloem as being a bit like phlegm. The word phlegm, where we have, let's find the word phlegm. Here we go. The word phlegm, word info. Phlegm, it's sort of horrible mucousy stuff. If I change that to being phlegm properly. Phlegm. And phlegm is sort of like green gunk, and it comes out of your lungs, obviously, and it ends with that M sound, and it starts with PH. And the xylem sounds a bit like xylophone, and the xyl bit means wood, and wood is dead cells. So if you think of the dead cells in xylophone, the dead wood in xylophone, that should help you to remember the dead cells in the xylem. And the fact that phlegm is spelled a bit like phloem and they both end in EM should help you to remember the ending. So I recommend you have a look on Google Images and see some of these amazing images of the phloem and the xylem going up through various plants. I've got Creative Commons license on, so I can't show you the best pictures, but even the ones I can show you are just amazing. So have a look, and hopefully you'll go wow, and you'll want to find out more about the xylem and the phloem. Phloem. Thanks for watching. Bye.